Hey guys, Marine Rider coming at you with another helmet review video. Let's get into it right after this. Hey guys, my name is Grant, also known as Marine Rider, and welcome to my channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in. And if you guys have watched my channel in the past, anytime I get a new helmet, I always do a video review of it and first impression. So for me, I've been eyeballing the Scorpion EXO Covert FX helmet, and I've seen it out on Revzilla. And normally I buy my helmets from Revzilla because they give a military discount or a veteran discount as well. But as I was looking around for it online, I saw that Harley-Davidson had something kind of along the same lines. And actually, it is the same. It's just their version of it. So they partnered up with Scorpion helmets as they do with other brands like LS2. And they came up with what they call the HD Division X-15 helmet, which is exactly the same helmet. It's just Harley branded. So for about the same price, I decided to go that route instead. And so let's get this thing unboxed. I'll go over all the features, and I'll give you guys my first impressions of the helmet. All right, comes with a nice helmet bag right out the gate. Get this thing unwrapped. All right, I mean, look how cool this thing looks, right? I mean, it looks sharp. It's definitely in that same genre as the Simpson Bandit and also the Bitwell Lane Splitter. What I really noticed compared to my other Scorpion helmets, my EXO HX1 helmets, this thing is really light. It's under 3 pounds. It does come with a lightly tinted visor, mirrored. It comes with the Willie G logo up here. Also comes with a Willie G graphic down along the side right here. And then in the back, it has Harley-Davidson written. So I really like the design. It's flat black, so a little bit more maintenance. And the difference between this that I noticed and the Lane Splitter and also the Simpson is the front vent on this, you can open and close. It's got a little bitty switch in there, and you can just grab it with your thumb and open and close it. I don't know if you guys can see in there or not, but that's kind of what it looks like. With the face shield, it ratchets up and down. So you can feel it ratcheting as you're pulling it up and going back down with it. Locks up in the upward position. So that's pretty cool. Comes with a chin skirt. The padding in there is very nice, as you would expect from a Scorpion helmet. I've never had a bad experience with the padding and the quality of the padding with Scorpion. Also, on the inside of it, it comes cut out for where you can add your speakers in there. And it comes with a top vent right here that you can open and close. And here's the exhaust port out the back, so you can get that wind flow through your helmet. It also comes with the traditional D-rings. Yeah, I mean, for all what you get, I feel like Scorpion helmet, you get a lot of bang for your buck with it. And I bought a large. I already tried it on at Harley to make sure it fits. I normally am a 7 1/4 fitted hat size, so the large fits me. It's a little snug out the gate because that's what you want when you buy a new helmet, because all new helmets will have a break-in period. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. Let me go ahead and try it on for you guys and just show you guys kind of how it looks actually on someone's head. Yeah, so that really has a nice fit, nice quality. Going to get it out on the road and get some miles under it. And I'll probably do a follow-on video as I did with the Scorpion EXO HX1 helmets I did, and then give you guys kind of a, couple 100-mile review of it. But I tend to believe it's going to hold up well. It's going to check all the boxes for me. It is also DOT certified. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this lid. I'm going to get my Cardo attached to it and go from there. So real short video on this helmet. Just wanted to kind of give you guys an overview, unboxing, and then my first impression. So until next video, guys, stay motivated.